All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, today I'm going to answer a question that everybody keeps asking about every time they see it. And that is Eric's Hazet Cadet. So this is Eric's roll cart. It is a Hazet Assistant. Obviously, multi-layer roll cart. Now these are not cheap. They're rugged as heck, but they are expensive and really cool. Lots of people love these things, and I'm not going to do a tour of it because, well, it's kind of a mess. And I'm really kind of only doing this because I've gotten, every time I do a what's going around the shop, somebody asks about this toolbox. So just kind of a quick little thing. Multi-layer shelves. It's got tools. Obviously he left kind of in a hurry. He had some personal issues. So I didn't ask him about doing this, but hopefully he doesn't mind. But this is his Hazet Assistant. He loves this thing. He bills a ton of hours out of it. So figured I would answer the question with a video because I get questions about what is it every time it appears in a video. So hope you liked it, because that is what it is. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.